Hey, how's it going, you guys? So I thought I'd do a quick video here on this T&D Products nut and bolt thread checker. I've been using it for a few weeks now, so I thought it'd be a good time to do a quick review on it. First things you'll notice with this thing is it's really heavy duty. I believe this is aluminum. It's nice thick plate, feels heavy duty. You got steel studs for the bolts, and you got rubber feet on the back here for resting it on your toolbox, tool bench, or what have you. It's got some slots at the top and at the bottom here, and I believe that'd be the spot where you'd use this to mount to the wall, should you want to do that. But I actually prefer being portable with it. That way I can take it wherever I'm working or down in the basement by the nut and bolt bins as if I'm sorting through them. But yeah, so overall it's been really great to have around. To start here, you got the metric side and then a standard side. You got a centimeter ruler on that side to check your bolt lengths. You go from 4mm all the way up to 16mm on the studs and the thread checker. You got a mixture of coarse and fine threads on those. You have drill bit gauges down here. You have 8 of them. 6 of them are in metric, however. The 2 standards are 1/4 and 1/2. Standard side here, you have 6 all the way up to 3/4. Again, you have the combination of fine thread and coarse threads. On the side here again, you have your inch gauge ruler. That way you can line up and see the length of your bolt that you need to replace, or if you're inventorying them. But yeah, this is working out great. It's nice for those loose nuts and bolts you have laying around, being that they have the coarse and the fine. You know it's 5/16, but it doesn't screw on all the way. Oop, doesn't screw on all the way, so you can go over to the 5/16 fine thread, give that a go, and screws right in. So yeah, this has been a great thing to have around. I would recommend it. Hasn't let me down yet. No issues with the studs backing out on some of the cheaper ones that I've heard of. So yeah, it's been great. I'll leave a link for that in the description of this video. If this video did help you though, please give me a thumbs up. Comment if you guys got any questions for me, and be sure to hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching.